Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set audio in your CapCut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this you have to open your CapCut. Now select your picture or video. If you want to set audio in this video, you just have to press here audio. Then press on sounds. From here, you can choose any sounds as you want. Or if you want to select sounds as you want, then press on this. Select on device. Now from here, you can select your own audio. That's it. So this is how to set audio in CapCut. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.